to my channel. God bless you. This is the unique and healthy recipe. Today we are preparing toilet wash, and this is my brand, Ampic Mabez Ampic toilet wash. This toilet wash will kill germs from your toilet and keep it sparkling clean. Killing germs is one way of remaining healthy and also increase your longevity. So these ingredients we need for today's video are just few. This is sulfuric acid. I have HCl, hydrochloric acid. I have caustic soda, sodium hydroxide. I have my color. I like it to be color blue. And I have my fragrance. You can use any fragrance you like. Either you mix fragrance or you can use any one. To start with, I want us to dissolve our caustic soda in about 2 liters of water. What we are making, this quantity we are making will give us 5 liters of toilet wash. So everything is going to come to this point, 5 liters of toilet wash. So we are going to dissolve our caustic soda in about 2 liters of water. Make sure that we dissolve everything. So we're going to put that water and see that mark of the 2 liters. Please put more water. Put more. Yes, it's okay. Alright, so we stir it to make sure that everything is completely dissolved. Stir it. Make sure that everything is completely dissolved. Caustic soda is very, very reactive. Even right now, you are going to be feeling the bucket like it's hot due to the reaction. So I don't allow you to touch your skin. Okay? So this is completely dissolved. So the next thing is we are going to dissolve our sulfuric acid. One stage is to dissolve our sulfuric acid also in about 2 liters of water. So we are going to pour in the sulfuric acid into the bucket now, and then we dissolve it with 2 liters of water also. So we add water to 2 liter mark. Okay. We're going to add water to 2 liter mark. I just want to have that mark. Okay, that is it. For the color of the bucket is not visible, but this is about the 2. So we add more water to that 2 liter mark, and then I'm going to stir it until it's completely mixed together. So you keep on turning it until it's white instead of black, the way it was. So you keep on turning it this way. So I'm going to add my caustic soda that has been dissolved now to it. You can see the color has changed to white. So I turn my caustic soda into it like this. Okay, and turn again. So this is it. As you mix the 2, you have completely mixed the 2 like this. And the next thing I'm going to add is my HCl. Was it recording? My HCl. pieces like this here. Then I add my fragrance. Like I said, you can mix your fragrance to what you want, but this is just toilet wash fragrance. So I'll be adding my color. I'm going to add color, so I dissolve the color here in water. Then I pour it here. My toilet wash is ready. So see it. Toilet wash is ready. This is it. The toilet wash is ready. So I'm going to apply it to toilets. Okay, so I'm going to apply it to our toilet. What we just produced now. Apply it like this. Apply it. Then you can leave it for 10 minutes and then wash. This is it. Sparkling white. After 10 minutes.